So I'm here at Lord's Dam in this gorgeous setting. Look at this, absolutely amazing. There's the dam. And Lord's up there, that way. Then Lord's, absolutely stunning. What I'm hoping to find though is over that ridge behind me, over that ridge over there, and just at the back, hopefully I'm going to find a neolithic axe factory that I found in one of my old uni books. I can't imagine there's been that many folk visited it, but we have to find it first. And it's over that ridge. It's across the dam. We're going to have to go across the dam. Amazing Scottish engineering again. Across the dam, up that ridge and over there, and then over there somewhere, just over there, hopefully we can find a neolithic axe factory. I'm quite excited about this. We'll probably not find it. Oh, watch, guys. Hey! lucky there's no more. Okay, so that way across the mountain was a bust. I'm going to try through the woods and then see if we can go up that way. See, these things aren't as easy as they look. On Google Earth it looked really, really easy to get to. So the Neolithic axe factory was a bust. So we'll come. I've never been here before either. So, and a ruined castle. Goes back to the 13th century. What a spot though. Look at this. Remember what we always do? Walking in the footsteps of our ancestors. Wow, look at this. Oh my god. Super cool. Oh yeah. Look at this. Once again, my hat goes off to the medieval brickworkers, man. Stonemasons. Look at that arch. Hey, careful. Oh. Guys, I found a nook and cranny. Probably too dark to see, but it's a really cool dungeon room. I don't think it would really be a dungeon though, but it's cool. It's good. Hey man, it's well cool. Look at that tower gone, and then that. It's the brickwork. I just can't. How good they were. The 13th century. I mean, look at that. Look at that arch. It's totally amazing. Look how thick those walls are. Hey, look at that. Look, stairs to nowhere. Up, up. Oh no, that's so cool. that archway. That's absolutely incredible. So this was our mausoleum where I think the McGregors were all buried, and there was clearly something in there, a coat of arms, a statue or something. I mean, building something like this to bury your ancestors, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. This is pretty cool. This was a beheading pit. The Campbells used to put people in there and then lop their heads off. Alright, the Highlands. I don't know if that's nice, creepy or sinister. I definitely went in. Wow, look at that. It's amazing. What's it way at the back? Oh. Shit, man, look at that. How cool is that? So, look at, we need to find out what were they mining?